Have you ever had a brilliant idea, a burning desire, but felt completely stuck on how to make it real? You're not alone. It's like having a map to a treasure chest, but no idea how to take the first step. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial principles from Napoleon Hill's legendary book, Think and Grow Rich. We're talking about organized planning, the bridge that turns your dreams into reality. So, what exactly is organized planning? It's the sixth step towards riches, and it's where the magic of transformation truly begins. Hill says that your desire, no matter how intense, is just a fleeting thought until you translate it into action. And the way to do that is through a practical, well-thought-out plan. It's about building the engine that will drive your ambition forward. First things first, you need a concrete plan. This isn't about vague goals like I want to be successful. It's about specifics. What does success look like for you? How much money do you want to make? What position do you want to hold? Write it down. Be precise. Your plan should be a detailed roadmap outlining every step you need to take to get from where you are now to where you want to be. Think of it as a business plan for your own life. Now, here's a game-changing concept. Hill introduces the mastermind alliance. You've probably heard the saying, no one is an island. This is that idea. Supercharged. A mastermind alliance is a group of two or more people who work in perfect harmony for the attainment of a definite purpose. The key here is perfect harmony. You need to surround yourself with people who share your vision, who can provide knowledge, experience, and support that you don't have. Think about it. Henry Ford didn't build his automobile empire alone. He had a team of brilliant minds, each an expert in their field. Andrew Carnegie, the steel magnate, had a mastermind group of about 50 people. This isn't just about networking. It's about creating a collective brain, a powerhouse of intellect and energy focused on a single goal. The synergy created in a mastermind group is exponential. The combined intelligence of the group becomes far greater than the sum of its individual parts. So, how do you form your own mastermind alliance? Start by identifying the people you need. Who has the skills, the connections, or the expertise you lack? It could be a mentor, a colleague, a financial advisor, or even a friend who is particularly savvy in an area where you're weak. The crucial part is to ensure there's mutual benefit. You must be willing to give as much as you receive. Present your plan to them. Be clear about what you're asking for and what you're offering in return. This could be a share of the profits, a service, or simply your own expertise in another area. Once you have your plan and your mastermind team, you're ready to put it into action. This is where so many people falter. They create a beautiful plan, get excited, and then nothing. Hill is ruthless on this point. A plan is useless until it is acted upon. You must begin immediately, right now, to execute the first step, no matter how small it seems. Momentum is everything. But what happens when your plan fails? And let's be honest, your first plan will probably fail. Or at least, it won't work perfectly. This is not a sign to give up. This is a sign to learn. Hill calls this temporary defeat. It's not failure. Failure is only when you quit. When you encounter a setback, you don't discard your destination. You just find a new route. This is where persistence comes in. You analyze what went wrong. Was the plan flawed? Did you lack certain knowledge? Was there a weak link in your mastermind group? You take that feedback, you go back to the drawing board, and you create a new, better plan. And you do this over and over again, as many times as it takes. Thomas Edison famously said he didn't fail 10,000 times. He just found 10,000 ways that won't work. That is the essence of persistence in planning. Every successful person, without exception, has faced temporary defeat. What sets them apart is their refusal to be broken by it. They use it as a stepping stone. They learn from their mistakes, they adjust their plans, and they keep moving forward with unwavering faith in their ability to succeed. They know that somewhere, in the ashes of their failed plans, lies the seed of an equivalent or greater success. Let's recap this powerful process. First, you crystallize your desire into a definite, written-down plan of action. Be specific. Second, you form a mastermind alliance. You gather a team of like-minded individuals who can help you execute your plan, and you ensure the arrangement is mutually beneficial. Third, you take immediate and persistent action. You don't wait for the perfect time because it will never come. You start now. And fourth, and perhaps most importantly, you embrace temporary defeat as a learning opportunity. When a plan fails, you don't quit on your dream. You create a new plan, and another, until you find the one that works. This relentless process of organized planning alliance building, and persistent action is the mechanism that transforms your burning desire from a thought into a tangible, physical reality. It's the practical application of the belief that whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. So, what's one small step you can take today to start organizing your plan? Maybe it's writing down your goal. Maybe it's identifying one person for your potential mastermind group. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Take action. Turn that desire into a concrete plan and start building your bridge to riches. Thanks for watching today. If you got value from this breakdown of organized planning, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights from the greatest success books of all time. Let me know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was. See you in the next video.